Hello guys, welcome. In this section, we are going to talk about brute force attack in Burp Suite. So let me switch to the Burp Suite. So I will explain step by step process. You can follow this and you can perform this on your target application. And it's only a education purpose video. You can perform this action on, you have permission to do that. Okay. So for that, first we need to install the Turbo Intruder. That is a extra or extra extension which is available in Burp Suite. For that, you go to the extensions tab and go to the B Burp Store. Okay, B App Store. Here you need to enter Turbo, search the Turbo Intruder. You can see the Turbo Intruder here. Click on that. So in my machine I have already installed, that way it's showing as on right side top reinstall. Okay, in my case, in your case it should be installed, so you click on that, so it will install and it changed to reinstall. Okay, so on you can see the install tab, the Turbo Intruder is installed over there. So the application, the extension is installed in our machine. The next step is capturing the login request. So that I go to the proxy and open browser. So our application is loaded up and go to the login screen. Here. So we get the response over the Burp Suite. So you can close this now and go to the Burp Suite and go to the Burp history. You can identify the login request here. Okay, so you get it that yes, this is the login. You can see the email and password. So I next step is send that into the Turbo Intruder. For that you can see, right click on request and extensions, Turbo Intruder, send to Turbo Intruder. So the Turbo Intruder pop-up will be popped up. So here we going to make the changes. The changes are, you can see the request here. We assumes that we know the email address of that user, password we don't know, so replace the password with uploading payloads. We need to change this into remove that password value and percentage yes. So the turbine to understand, here we need to replace with the payload values. Okay, so below you can see the code. Okay, so here we can see the path where location we need to take the password and inject over here. So specifically path here. Okay, so here I already create the password text file here. Okay, this is the password file, sample passwords I have given here. Okay, and close this and identify the path. Right click on that file and properties and security. You can see the path, copy this path. Okay, and close and paste here. Okay, so our script is ready. Okay, then the next step is run this, that is attack. Okay, so we replace the payload injection point with the percentages and replace the file path. Okay, and click on start attack. So here you can see it is completed quickly and Turbo Intruder is very fast, and you can see the above the request. Clicking on that, you can see the below the request passing and the response. You can see how to identify the success response of login. You can see first you can check the status code. So if it is 200 it is success, or not 21 means unauthorized. So you can see this is success 200. And another method you can see identify the length. So you can see 925 and you can see 1694. So apart from this is different, so you can identify this way also. So you can check this and see the email address and password is QWERTY. It is getting success response, and you can see on right side response the token is getting, that is the login is successful. Okay, so this way you can perform the brute force attack on login screen on your code script. Okay, and one more thing I will show you. So guys, so you can see the drop down here. So you can see the different type of templates of scripts. You can see right now I choose the example slash basic py. So when you send that your request to the intruder, turbo intruder, this will be coming up. So you only need to change this path into based on your path, which the actual path of in your case, and replace here. Okay, some cases it will not take the D drive or E drive, so you can choose this paste your file in C drive as in it and paste that path here. And one more thing too I tell you is the path. This is my Windows machine, so you can follow the double slash or single slash, you can follow, both will work I think. And in Linux case you can follow this format. Okay, for Mac you can try with this format, the file path. Okay, and hopefully you like this section. Thank you for watching and bye.